here's a look at my EDC pouch, and here are the couple of items in it. I'm gonna go through it right now, and I'm gonna start no random order. So first, we have an Inksol marker, good markers, they work, they write on all kinds of stuff, and it's the Milwaukee brand marker, so I have one of those. I'll toss it over here. Next, I have a small pocket knife. So I'm a knife junkie, I always have knives. There we go, pull that off. And the reason why I like this knife is it says "We the People." Pretty awesome, right? So a good little flipper knife there. Get that out of the way. Next, just a small flashlight, so a small tactical flashlight. Obviously, flashlights are good. You should have them on you. This is just some duct tape, so tape kind of stuff. Use this tape, Gorilla Tape. Okay, next going down the line is a cigarette lighter. Just a simple Bic lighter. Obviously, you never know when you have to start a fire. I don't smoke, but I like to stay warm and maybe I have to cook some food, whatever. I got my lighter there. Going down the line, this is some Kevlar cord. So Kevlar cord is more expensive than paracord, but will cut through stuff, has the same awesome escape uses. And so yeah, I don't have a ton as you can see, but just a little bit of Kevlar cord in there. I have a tourniquet. This is the Cat T tourniquet. Great tourniquet, you put it on one-handed. This is the bulkiest thing in here, but also a very important thing for my EDC pouch. And then just last few things, got some cash, got a couple $100s in cash because you never know when you're gonna have to bribe your way out of an emergency or credit card machines are down and you need cash to get gas or whatnot. And then also, because I've had to bribe the police overseas, I have a small amount of gold and silver in my EDC pouch. This is 1.5 ounces of silver. These are 1/4 ounce gold coins. This is probably worth about $1,600, give or take, between my gold and silver these days. And I believe that is everything in my very simple EDC pouch. So have a few things, you never know we're gonna need them. This pouch that I use is from a company called 3B Gear. I believe their website is just 3bgear.com. And this is the compact organizer pouch. I don't know, you'll see it on the website if you go. So check out 3bgear.com and make sure you stay prepared and have some kind of EDC pouch. All right, that's it, God bless you.